This is Crazy SMP, and this server is dying. But today we're not going to let that happen. Instead, we're going to make some changes and save the server. Crazy SMP is a survival-focused server with in-game ranks, an economy, anti-grief, teams, PvP arena, and more. Seems pretty perfect already, but there seems to be nobody online, so how can we fix that? What we need is feedback from the community in order to learn what they like, don't like, and what we can add. So before we get into that, if this is content you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving the video a thumbs up, and I'll make more videos like this in the future. Also, if this video helps you out in any way, let me know in the comments below and include your server IP so I can check it out myself. So the best way to get feedback from the community is through the Discord. So I went and created an online form and shared it through announcements. And on the form, I had two requests. One to leave feedback and two to leave suggestions. I don't know how helpful this info is. Fortunately though, I was able to get a few suggestions and add them to a list. I also asked my staff members for some suggestions too, and then added them to the list. So the first change I wanted to make was around the Crazy Coin. Crazy Coin is the currency that we have on the server, and the way you get Crazy Coins is by changing your rare items into them. So for example, 2 diamonds equals 1 Crazy Coin, 16 iron ingots equals 1 Crazy Coin, and then we have a whole bunch of shopkeepers as well, where you can buy and sell things using the Crazy Coin currency. But the issue with Crazy Coins is it doesn't allow other people to make their own shops. So I wanted to develop a way for other players to create their own shops and buy and sell things and even trade things using the Crazy Coin system. So using script, I added a special feature to the server, which you can see here. So when you right click with a sunflower, if the name of the tool is Crazy Coin, it will give the player $100 in game and then remove the sunflower from their inventory. So you can see now in game, when I right click with a sunflower, it will give me $100 in game. I also added a custom command which will convert money back into Crazy Coins as well. So you can see that here on script. The command is /withdraw, and when that triggers, if the player's balance is more than $100, it will take $100 out of their inventory and give them one of the sunflowers. If the balance is below $100, however, then they'll get a rejection message, which basically lets them know that they need to have at least $100 in their balance. So you can see right now my balance is $6,900, which is equivalent to about 69 Crazy Coins. So if I go /withdraw, you can see now $100 has been removed from my account, and I have also received a Crazy Coin. And if we type /balance again, my balance is now $6,800. Just for example as well, we're going to set our balance to $99, which you can see when typing /balance. So now if I type /withdraw, I'll get the rejection message, which lets me know that I need at least $100 in my balance. This basically prevents us from getting into negative balances or allowing players to exploit the commands to get infinite amount of coins. The way players can now buy and sell things is using the economy system as opposed to the physical Crazy Coins shop. And what I've added is an auction house to the server. So if you type /AH or /auction house, you can now list things on the server as well for whatever price you want. So you can see here people are selling elytras, armor, totems, saddles, even bone meal and wood. Basically, you can sell whatever you want on the server. So if you're a regular player, you can sell up to 5 things on the server at once. If you're crazy, you can do 10, Poggers 20, and Axolotl 40. Those 3 ranks are our custom donator ranks, and I often hear feedback about them not having enough features on the server. So that is another thing that we have implemented. I've also updated the automatic bundles and shops and stuff as well with the new items. So when you right click and receive the Crazy Coin, you can now see in your inventory, it still says Crazy Coin, but also says right click to receive $100. And you can see that that is the same for all of the villager shops we have at spawn as well. So if you still have the old Crazy Coins that don't have that specific text, you can go ahead and just right click them to turn them into $100 and then switch them back into sunflower. Or you can just use the deal of the week mob that we have here, which will turn regular Crazy Coins into the new ones as well. I've also made some minor changes to the spawn and moved some of the shopkeepers around. So you'll notice we now have some ender chests over here, and we also have an NPC which will randomly teleport us into the wild. But I've actually also gone and created a few new different shopkeepers. So the first one we have here is for hostile spawners. We also have one for friendly spawners, and we also have one for enchanted books as well. Now, one of the features we have on the server is a weekly end reset, and this is a special event which I usually handle manually. So I'll hop on the server and then I will use multiverse to delete the world, create a new one, update the game rules, make the announcements in the server and on Discord, And I thought, you know what? There must be a way to automate this. So in order to actually reset the end, I have created a custom command to do that. And that command is /end reset. So when you trigger this command, it will first delete the world, then it'll confirm that you actually want to do so. It will create another end, adjust the keep inventory to true, and then broadcast it in chat. And so what I've done here is created a scheduled task which will automatically run every 7 days. And this will run approximately on a Sunday at 11 p.m. So on Sunday, 11 p.m. Australian Eastern Time, it will run the /end reset command, which we set up before through console. I've also gone and set up a warning as well. 15 minutes before that, there'll be a warning in chat, which will basically alert players saying in 15 minutes, the end will be reset. Another issue we've had on the server, which you might have noticed in some of my previous videos, is that it's a little bit difficult to actually tell who has killed the Ender Dragon. So I've actually gone and created another script here, which basically says on the death of an Ender Dragon, if the attacker is a player, then to execute the console command, broadcast, the attacker has defeated the Ender Dragon. So that way, when you reset the end, you'll actually be able to see who in fact has killed the Ender Dragon. And nobody can be like, oh, it was me or whatever. This will use commands to actually tell us who it was that killed them. And then our staff members can go ahead and give that player the dragon rank. So the command is dragon and then string. What happens is it'll execute the command LP user and then your string here, parent, add temp, dragon, 1 week. So that will basically give that specific player the dragon rank for 1 week. So the next feature I want to add to the server is called player warps. So the way you can go ahead and set a warp is by typing /warp set and then a name. And then if you type /warp, that'll bring up a custom menu here and you can view all the warps in here. So currently we have 4 set up: the spaceship, pumpkin, melon, and the end. So if we type /pumpkin, it will bring us now to the pumpkin base. Another feature we need to fix up is a bit of a weird one. When you warp to new areas, you'll notice that all of your chests, furnaces, shulker boxes, and storage containers will automatically turn into dirt. And that is because of a plugin called Orebfuscator. So Orebfuscator is an anti-X-ray plugin. And in the settings here, there are a whole list of hidden blocks. So when you mine really fast or when you teleport from one place to another, all of these blocks will stay hidden for a very short period of time until the entire world loads in. And some of the items that we had in here were all the chests, furnaces, and shulker boxes. So I have gone and removed all of them from this configuration. So now on the server, whenever you teleport to a new place, you'll be able to see all your chests and access them straight away. Another small annoying feature was with regards to the tab list. Previously, the tab list would order each of the ranks in a random order and not in the one that we wanted. So I've gone and updated it now so it goes in a hierarchy from staff ranks to donor ranks to in-game ranks. And the way I did that was by giving each single rank a specific weight. If we take a look at the admin rank, for example, then you can see that it has a weight of 100. If you look at rank YouTube, it has a weight of 51. Rank Poggers has a weight of 25. Rank Titan has a weight of 15. And rank Default has a weight of 9. So the higher rank you are in the server, the higher the weight of your rank will be, and therefore the higher you will sit on the tab list. Now that you've gone and made all your changes, you need to go ahead and update the community. And the way we do that is through the Discord by making an announcement and alerting everyone. So you can see here, I've written the post and included some of the changes around the crazy coins and the auction houses. I still have more posts to do, but I want to do them day after day. I don't want to just do them all in one go. And that will build some hype and suspense on the server. And that'll basically let the community know that you have not given up on it and you're still making changes in order to improve it. And now you can see, instead of there being 0 people online, there are multiple people online. And unfortunately, no matter how many changes you do make to the server, it won't always fix it. Sometimes you need to put extra work in yourself and actually play on the server and engage with the community as well. The way I do that is by streaming, making videos like this, and hosting events. Events is an amazing way to bring players onto your server. Probably the best way to do it, to be honest. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. I hope you have found this information useful. The work I've done today is literally just scratching the surface. There is still a whole lot more that we need to do to improve the server and improve the community. And that is things primarily through the Discord, events, events, partnerships, and a whole bunch of stuff like that. So if you guys want more videos from me about improving the community and increasing your server's popularity, then make sure to like the video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make more videos like this in the future. But anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's been your boy The Cats. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.